The weekend is that time of week we all look forward to. In the West, Friday night is the end of the week, the night that signals the coming of the weekend. In Syria, though, Thursday is that magical night. Today, I'll be talking about what Syrians do on the weekend, and more specifically, Thursday night. Welcome back to Speak Real Arabic, everyone. My name is Ozzy and I'm from Damascus, Syria. As always, I want to thank you all for your support on this channel so far. I'm having so much fun doing these videos for you, so why don't you meet me halfway and hit that subscribe button, huh? Oh, also, while you're clicking things, give that icon bell a click as well, so you can be notified on all awesome videos. Now, before I jump into today's videos, I just want to remind you that we have all kinds of sweet videos that can help you speak real Arabic. Huh? No? Okay. See what I did there? Fine, I'll just jump in. So, first things first. If you don't know this already, the week in the Middle East is not the same as the week in the West. Our week starts on Sunday and ends on Thursday. So, our big significant night to go out is usually Thursday night. So once that Thursday evening hits, it's time to go out or stay in, depending on what kind of person you are. There's a lot of fun things to do on a Thursday night, but the most common of those is the hookah or argile cafe hangout. This is something that a lot of young Syrians do with their Thursday night. They get dressed up in nice clothes, and they go meet their friends in the cafe to spend the night together. There are a lot of various activities that happen in those cafes. You can see people engaged in heated conversations. By nature, Syrians are passionate. We speak with our hands and gesture a lot. And also, so much gossiping goes down in those cafes. Gossip is basically the glue that holds Syrian society together. It's just the reality. Some other things you can see people do at these cafes are, for example, watching the football match. As football is an extremely important sport in Syria and has a massive influence on culture. There are also some table games that are quite common, such as tawle or backgammon, and cards. A lot of people love playing cards, especially a game called tricks. Oh, I remember so many Thursday nights playing tricks until the sunrise. By the way, if you would like me to do a video on how to play that or some other Syrian tabletop games, maybe you can let us know in the comments. Another thing that is common on Thursday nights are mosques hangouts, especially in Damascus. So this is something that I used to do with my dad every so often. On Thursday evening, after the final prayer or Salat al-Isha, sometimes a group of neighbors would hang back in the mosque and catch up. During these catch-ups, people learn about their neighbor's life, discuss problems in the neighborhood, or things that could be done to improve the lives of people there. Those were some of my fondest memories. It always felt like there was a strong sense of community during these meetings. Plus, usually, parents embarrass their children at these things by bragging about their grades or something like this, and it's a very fun and friendly atmosphere for a Thursday night. The most exclusive and lively of the Thursday night activities, though, is what I like to call the meal share. Now, this is not that common all over Syria, but this is something that my mom and the women in my neighborhood did every single Thursday without fail. They would send the boys to the mosques and then meet together to exchange some recipes, catch up, and again, brag about their children. This is an essential pillar of socializing, as basically this is how news travels through society. This was Twitter before Twitter was cool. So, this is Thursday night. Whether you're out at a cafe, watching a movie somewhere, hanging out in a mosque, or at home, there's always a lot of energy that buzzes through the city on that night. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. And if you like this video, don't forget to go check out our other videos about Syrian expressions, Syrian traditions, Syrian cultures, and a whole bunch of fun stuff. As always, if you want me to talk about anything in Syrian culture, please let me know. I'm your host, Ozzy, and I'll see you all next time.